How to turn off the parental controls on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to turn off the parental controls, here are some methods that you need to apply. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, head over to your device settings. Once you open settings, scroll down and head over to your screen time. After tapping on screen time, scroll down and head over to downtime. This might ask you for the screen time passcode. After that, make sure you toggle off the option of scheduled and this will remove the downtime and parental control. Next method would be tapping on your app limits. Make sure the app limits is toggled off or turned off. After that, the third method would be controlling the content and privacy restrictions. For this, click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. After tapping on it, make sure you toggle off the option. Once you toggle off the option, also make sure that you remove the passcode on screen time. And this is how you can turn off parental controls on iPhone. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.